PTA Pure Tone Audiometry. It is the hearing test done to identify the hearing threshold level of an individual as well as the type of hearing loss: conductive hearing loss, sensory neural hearing loss, mixed hearing loss. It is done by presenting a stimulus to the ear and the patient is asked to press a button whenever they hear the sound, and graph is plotted and the graph is plotted according to their response. Both air and bone conduction testing is done and comparison is made with normal threshold, and the degree of hearing loss is determined.